Starting in 1951, Lon and Annie Loveless, with the intention to serve Southern staples like fried chicken and biscuits to hungry travelers along Highway 100, converted their home into a restaurant and built a 14-room motel for overnight guests. For more than 70 years, the Loveless Cafe has been offering families and friends a place where they can enjoy a scratch-made Southern meal. Earning high praise from USA Today, Southern Living, Taste of the South, and more, you can see by the bevy of autographs that both locals and celebrities alike love this place. I'll admit I'm a bit of a skeptic, and when I heard these were the best biscuits in town, I had to try them, but they were the best biscuits I've ever had in my life. For breakfast, I took the waitress's suggestion and I ordered the pulled pork omelet, which was full of pulled pork, cheese, and onions, and served with a hash brown casserole. Over the years, the Loveless property has grown, including some shops full of signature gifts and 2 event spaces, the barn and the Harpeth room. I definitely recommend you stopping into the Hams and Jams Country Market. This place really put Cracker Barrel to shame because it's highly curated. You can get the same items that you can in Loveless Cafe that are frozen, as well as their jams and some coffee to go.